Imagine this. You're driving at night and suddenly, a car swerves right in front of you. Who's at fault? Without proof, it's just your word against theirs. That's where a dash cam comes in. It's always recording, keeping you protected. From accidents and parking bumps to road trips, it's got you covered. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best dash cams of 2025 with 4K video, night vision, Wi-Fi sharing, and parking protection. By the end, you'll know which one fits your car perfectly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's jump in. Product number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Let's start with the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This model records 4K Ultra HD video in the front and Full HD at the rear, powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor for sharp footage both day and night. You don't even need to buy storage. It comes with a free 128GB card right in the box. With 5G Wi-Fi and the ROVE app, you can transfer clips at up to 20 megabytes per second, which means no waiting around for big files. The 3-inch IPS screen makes it easy to check or play back videos, while 24-hour parking mode with motion detection keeps your car protected when you're not there. Pros: super clear video quality and very fast wireless sharing. Cons: no inside cabin camera, so rideshare drivers may want more. Who it's for: anyone who wants reliable front and rear coverage with easy controls. Final verdict: if you want high-quality video and peace of mind, this dash cam is a fantastic pick. Product number 2. 70x4K T800 3-channel dash cam. Next, we have the 70x4K T800 dash cam, a premium choice that delivers coverage from 3 cameras: 4K at the front, 4K inside, and 1080p at the rear. With the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and HDR night vision, your clips stay bright and sharp, no matter the time of day. It even supports Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE, so you can view or share footage straight from your phone in seconds. A big win here is support for a huge 512GB card, meaning longer hours of recording without worrying about space. It also includes ADAS driving alerts and parking mode, giving you added safety on the road and off. Pros: superb video detail and lightning-fast file transfers. Cons: the price is higher than budget models. Who it's for: tech lovers and drivers who want premium features. Final verdict: if you want top-tier quality with smart extras, the T800 is a smart investment. Product number 3. WOLFBOX X5 3-channel 4K HDR dash cam. Third on the list is the WOLFBOX X5 3-channel 4K HDR dash cam. This camera captures 4K in the front, 2.5K inside, and 1080p at the rear, giving you total coverage around your car. Thanks to the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, even low-light videos look bright and clear. It comes with GPS tracking, a 128GB card, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth connections. The touch screen feels modern, while voice control makes it easy to start recording or take pictures without lifting a finger. Great for safer driving. Pros: easy hands-free use and very sharp video at night. Cons: it's a bit bulky and may block part of your windshield. Who it's for: drivers who enjoy smart tech and want comfort, safety, and quality in one device. Final verdict: with its blend of features and ease of use, the WOLFBOX X5 is an excellent all-rounder. Product number 4. REDTIGER 530° Dash Cam 3-channel. Now let's check out the REDTIGER 530° Dash Cam, which stands out for its wide coverage. This system records 2.5K at the front, 2.5K inside, and 1080p at the rear, creating a 530° field of view that cuts down on blind spots. It also features IR night vision, which keeps inside footage clear even in total darkness. Perfect for taxi or rideshare drivers. On top of that, you get GPS, Wi-Fi, a touch screen, 24-hour parking mode, and a 128GB card included. Pros: wide-angle coverage and strong cabin recording at night. Cons: the large files can fill storage quickly, so a bigger card may be needed. Who it's for: anyone who wants nearly complete visibility of the road and cabin. Final verdict: if recording everything around your car matters most, this dash cam is a great pick. Product number 5. REDTIGER F7 MP Dash Cam. Finally, we have the REDTIGER F7 MP Dash Cam, which gives solid performance at a friendly price. It records 4K video at the front and 2.5K at the rear, paired with a 3.16-inch IPS screen for easy playback. It includes Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, WDR, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, giving you dependable coverage. A 32GB card comes included, so you can use it straight away. You also get 24-hour parking mode for extra security. Pros? Simple to set up and great value with storage included. Cons? Only 2 channels, so it doesn't cover the cabin. Who it's for? Everyday drivers who need reliable recording without spending a fortune. Final verdict. For a fair price, the F7 MP nails the basics and won't let you down. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.